everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about 2 ways disputes are settled at the Landlord and Tenant Board. On the day of your hearing, you have 2 options. Number 1, to attend mediation, or number 2, to decline mediation and go in front of the adjudicator. I highly recommend that you consider mediation for a number of reasons. Number 1, at mediation, you will meet with the other side and a board-certified mediator. This board-certified mediator is a complete third party who is unbiased. They will try to have a discussion with all sides in an effort to resolve the matter and come up with a mutual agreement that everybody is happy with. Just remember, at mediation, you're never going to get 100% of what it is that you're looking for. The whole purpose of mediation is to resolve the matter outside of going to have to wait to meet with an adjudicator. One of the biggest reasons why I really enjoy mediation or recommend mediation is because you have an influence on the outcome of the matter. Remember, again, I mentioned you're not going to get 100% of what you want. You may get 80%, you may get 85%, but at mediation, you have to be open to negotiating a settlement. Of course, if you can't come up to an agreement at mediation, you have no choice but to go in front of the adjudicator for your matter to be heard. If you decide to do that, and if your matter is heard on the day of the hearing, you will have to wait for your matter to be called in order for the adjudicator to hear it. The adjudicator is a board-certified member. They are not a judge or deputy judge. What they will do is they will hear the matter, they will hear one side, they will hear the other side, and then they will apply the law. They often reserve their decision and they will send out their decision along with reasons in the mail, usually about 30 to 60 days after the hearing. And what they order, based on whatever it is in the order, the parties have to abide by. Now, is there an alternative to settling a matter outside of the board? Absolutely. If you have a savvy paralegal that will take the initiative to contact the opposing side in an effort to come up to a mutual settlement, this is often the best way to go, because this is like mediation and resolving the dispute outside of the Landlord and Tenant Board so that you will have an influence on the outcome. And you don't have to wait months for your matter to be heard at the hearing. Usually matters that are adjourned, if they're not heard on the day of the hearing, can take 3 or 4 months in order to be rescheduled. So in order to resolve the matter quickly, it's often best to resolve the matter outside of the board. We hope you enjoyed this video and you learned from it. If you have any questions regarding ways to settle disputes, call us first.